Greetings, folks. It's Sarah. Today, I am featured in Sandpoint, Idaho on beautiful Lake Pend Oreille with these gorgeous mountains in the background. Today, I'm going to do a product overview for you guys between the Elmira and the JA Roby Gemini. Now, visually, these stoves look quite different. One is a stacked model and one is a side-by-side, but I'm going to give you guys an overall comparison on why one might fit your needs over the other. So, obviously, the Elmira is quite eye-catching with the beautiful chrome features. You do have this optional gas side burner, which is an excellent feature. None of the JA Roby products have the gas burner. So if you're specifically looking for a dual fuel option to have the wood and the gas combo, Elmira is definitely going to take the cake. However, if you are looking for the absolute longest burn time and the hottest heat output, that's actually going to bring you over here to the Gemini. The Gemini has a nice large firebox. It'll easily hold a 20-inch log and will burn 10 to 12 hours, and that's burning a soft pine wood. So if you're burning hardwood, you can easily get longer burn times out of that as well. You do have a nice top baking oven located right here, and we do have 2 oven racks located. Now, this model is actually going to be unique from all of our other cook stoves because the chimney pipe actually runs through the oven, and that is how you're getting your heat output. So you don't actually have that smoke flow going around the oven, so you're never going to have to worry about cleaning out your oven like you would on these other models. So for example, with the Elmira, your smoke flow is going to go underneath the oven, up the side, over the top, and out your rear flue stack. So you will have to clean that out. On the Elmira, you do have 3 easily removable lids, so it's very easy to get in there with a shop vac and clean it out, but it is one more thing to deal with during maintenance. Secondly, the JA Roby Gemini is going to be an EPA approved stove, while the Elmira is still falling under the EPA exempt category. Now, since we don't need the EPA requirement unless your county specifically may require it, one feature that's really nice about it is because it's EPA certified, we do have the ability to add in that convection room blower, and that is an additional option. With the room blower, this stove will really crank out the heat. I mean, I'm talking 3,000, 3,500 square feet, no problem. So if you're looking for an excellent heater, maybe with some optional cooking features, the Gemini is really, really a great product. If you're really focused on doing a lot of cooking, like stovetop cooking and baking, then the Elmira is probably a better option for you. With the Elmira, you are going to get a variety of cooktop temperatures. Obviously, directly over the firebox is going to be a lot hotter. You'll get some middle temperatures and then some lower grade temperatures over the oven side. Now, over here on the Gemini, I got about 350 degrees maximum. It was not hot enough for me to ever actually boil water. So I do want to point that out. You could cook an egg. I like my eggs cooked really low. So for me, I could easily cook an egg on top of this. But for the majority of your cooking, you actually would be doing that inside the oven. Now, personally, I do a ton of things inside the oven, like soups, and you can do chilies and stews and all of that kind of stuff that you might traditionally think to slow cook on the stovetop. You could do in a nice Dutch oven. So really, that's a really nice feature. I see this fitting well with somebody who wants to heat their house and really get that nice heat output, have nice long burn times, maybe needs that EPA requirement and possibly also a space requirement, right? So obviously the Elmira is quite a bit larger footprint. This is the 42 model because it's shown with the gas side burner. So your total side to side is 40, I think 42 or possibly 48, but I think it's 42 inches. And then from here to here, no, it's 48 for sure, because this is a foot. This is 36 inches width from here to here, so you can get the Elmira model in as small as a 36-inch width footprint. However, obviously this one here, I believe, is about 31.5 inches by 31.5 inches. So obviously very low footprint. What I do definitely love about the JA Roby stoves is they burn very well with even an extremely short flue stack. Right now, this stove is burning with like not even 3 feet up there. The Elmira has about 4 feet on it and is not burning as well. Now, of course, keep in mind the minimum requirement is 12 feet, and that's what you need installed to be up to NFPA 211 fire codes. But I do frequently get people who have spaces where they need a shorter chimney stack. Maybe you're putting it inside of a camper trailer or something like that. A J.A. Roby product would really be an excellent product in something like that because they burn extremely well with a short flue stack that can easily be removed. And they do meet all the mobile home requirements as well, so you are completely covered for your insurance. Both of these models are going to be ULC and UL listed. That covers North America, the USA, and Canada. I really hope that you guys found this product comparison helpful. If you guys like these videos, don't forget to give me that thumbs up. Click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thanks so much for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful day.